Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial, we're going to show you how you can export your boards on monday.com as an Excel file or spreadsheet or document. So let us guide you through this. Head over to monday.com and click into workspace here to access your workspace. And after that, select the board from that list below. So I can go this one here. And here inside your overview of the board, simply click on these three dots in the top right to access the board's options. Hover your mouse over more actions here. And after that, select Export Board to Excel, just like that. Confirm that by clicking on Export here. You may also request a copy via email, for example, to the associated email address here. So let me enable it so that you may download the given board as an Excel file sent to you via email. Click on Export here. Wait for the exporting process to be finished. And after that, you will see the Excel file, the board as an Excel file in your download folder so that you may access these via Microsoft Excel. File is ready, as you can see here in the bottom right corner. So that's how it works in practice, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some value from it, and we'll catch you later.